So everybody, Mother's Day is coming up, and usually on Mother's Day my wife she cook a big feast. So tonight and today I'd like to help her out because she's been a good wife and a good mother, my wife Maria. So I decided to do something nice for her in making cotolette for Mother's Day, instead of her making and putting a little bit less pressure on her. So what you need for your cotolette is a nice carton board made out of ligno, which ligno, for everybody who knows Italiano, means wood. You need a nice wood block. Accompanied by this is my special knife. It's a fillet knife to cut a cotolette. Now, you use, ideally, you use chicken boob, I like to call it. You know, you use this is a very succulent, juicy piece. First up, we need to make this sucker very thin. So, up to you, you can butterfly, open it up, so then it ends up being a big cotoletta, or you can leave it like this. Make it as I am now. So, we just get in there with the fillet knife. You make sure it's sharp. If it's not sharp, use the rock. Alright, so as you can see, there's a nice piece. Alright, there's a nice piece. And we could probably get at least 3 slices out of this to fill it and come out. Look at that, that's a beautiful. That's another slice. I think this one will be thick. Let's get one more slice. Now, if you've got a bigger family, always go for that 4th slice, so then everybody eat, or else gente, they get upset because they're not eating. Non siamo italiani, siamo italiani, we won't. Alright, so that's this. Alright, they make 4 pieces. Out of 1, 4 pieces. Now the next step, very, very, very important. First up, I like to get, so this is a typical freezer bag. You can buy from any college, Woolworths, whatever you want. Now what I like to do with the freezer bag is open it up, put in the knife, and open that sucker up. Just gut that sucker up, and you make something like this. Now, then you just tear away, and you got yourself the base and the top for when you smash. Now I just need my hammer 1 second. Okay, so you got your hammer, you start getting your chicken schnitzel. This is called tenderize. I like to do this to some people I know, believe me. But this is just for the chicken. And you just put your chicken inside here, and put in the top of your freezer bag, and you start bashing the shit out of the chicken. This is for wrecking, burning. This is for coronavirus. This one for coronavirus. This one for bloody dickheads in the world. Alright, so once that's all cut and tenderized, what do we need to do now is create an egg mix. To make it, when you put the chicken boob, you put that into the egg mixture. And then straight into the breadcrumb, or as I like to call it, modiga. Throw it up. You know, in certain countries they use one hand for everything, and they use the other hand to wipe the ass. Well, you got to use that type of technology to do this. So you need one hand for the egg, and you need one hand for the distribution of a modiga onto the chicken boob. So you just mix this around. What's happening here is that the modiga is mixing with the cheese, the Parmesan cheese, and the pepper spades and the sale, the salt and the pepper. All right, let's go. So we grab one. Remember, we grab one. This one probably could get cut in half. This is the egg hand, remember, and then we put it in here. Now this one, bash. You know what I mean? Do a little bit of get some shit out, you know, get some adrenaline out, and some Veleno that you've had for, you know, if you've had Veleno for 20 years, where you want to get something out, you punch this. Now if you want, you can double crumb. Now double crumb, only for professional, what you do is you put the already crumb one back into the egg mixture, and then back in the crumb. That's called a double crumb. And everybody, you know, they make cotoletta different. You can add the tocino, prezzemolo, or whichever way you want to say it. They add that. I add that at time. I don't mind that in. You can if you want. If you don't want, fucking no worry. No one cares. That's alright. You can put whatever you want. I've even heard of some Australiana putting the carrot inside. You know, the carrot. But for me, I don't put the carrot inside the cotoletta because that's going too far. I don't do any of this shit, you know. I go through the whole thing. I don't do, I prepared this earlier because how do you know I prepared it earlier? How do you know if it wasn't my wife? That's and I bluff everybody. So I got to show everybody what I'm doing. Which, so then I don't bluff nobody because a lot of people they bluff and they're stupid. Alright, bang. You gotta be careful and you gotta be on the balls because if you're not, you fuck everything up here. And be sure not to cross-contaminate with both hands, you know? Alright, that's a beautiful one. And that's a very big one. I can't wait to cook that one. Let me know in the comments below what did you get for your mother at for Mother's Day, you know? I got, because my son, he's scared to go outside, I had to go to the chemist and I bought my wife and Maria flash from Jimmy Choo's. Jimmy Choo's flash perfume. Hey, it smells nice, but you know, that's what I saw the lady there when I was at the chemist and she's breaking the balls of the lady who worked there. Oh, can I try that one? Can I try that perfume? Can I smell that one? Can you spray it on my wrist? And then I took a look at the woman that was talking and I thought to myself, Minka, no perfume can help you ever. She was più brutta da fame. I never seen anybody like that in my life. So as you can see, the oil now is hot because it's bubbling around that. And you want to get that nice golden brown consistency. Right there like that. Just a nice golden brown. And that's nearly ready. Another few minutes and that's ready. Ready to eat. Oh, okay, so now we got the schnitzel here. Let's do the taste test. A nice piece. When you cut through it, you can hear the crunch. If you don't hear the crunch, you fuck everything up. You can hear the crunch and look at that. Look at that. It's cooked to perfection. You can see the steam coming off. It smells beautiful. The smell, o cheiro da cotoletta is one of the best smell in the world. I was talking about perfume for Maria. You put this in a bottle, give it to your wife, and she fucking love you forever. It's a miss in the chili. This is homemade chili. Some chili oil, just to put on a little bit. Alright. You need this. Beautiful. Look at that. Alright, let's try this in here. Aye, okay. Thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all you mummy out there. I thank you very much for all your work. Arrivederci e ciao. Roberto, can you go get the wine? This is burning my throat, it's burning my ass.